Hello. So disregard this because this DGLT is no longer a stock. At one point, it was halt. See, ticker symbol not found. It's just gone. At one point, it was spiking and I got into it and then it halted and I left it halted for several days and I think it went bankrupt. I don't know how to delete this. So that's there. In other news, I watched a couple of stock spike today. This one went from like $4 to 24. Let's see some other views. No. These are, I'm looking at the longer term chart. Let's see 1 year. So the last time it's really spiked was in December 2016, so it seems to be a year ago. 600. That's crazy. The 52-week high is $570. Wow. So yeah, not much going on besides that. I can't imagine this was once $1,200. It just seems like wow. So we're gonna look at the 2-day chart. So this was yesterday, nothing happened. And the news, it's like one of these weird ones, like amendment, general form of something. Honestly, I didn't even read it. I was just like, and I think when it's in brown like that, it means something is wrong. I'm not sure. So this spiked. I don't know what I was thinking exactly here. I was thinking maybe, you see how it's like a step ladder? But clearly it should go in this direction and this one went down, so maybe I thought like, oh, it's gonna bounce from here. I was expecting a bounce at some point, but I did not get a bounce. So in 100 shares at 18.99, and it's saying trending down, trending down, trending down. Like I don't know what I was doing. I think I was like, oh, this might be good. Let me get in because the Ameritrade app is really good. I actually like it better than E-Trade. And I was like writing a paper. I was like, let me just see what happens. So by the time I looked back from the paper, it was down almost $1. But I had a better time doing this because for this one, I noticed a breakout. The day high today is at like $7. Does it tell me day high? Maybe, I don't know. So it was like somewhere here, right? Because as the market open, then this is the day high, 690 or whatever. Then nothing happens, the volume's low, and then the volume starts to ramp up. And it's like, really, what's the news here? Like a Seeking Alpha article, then it's got one of these weird ones, report of unscheduled material events or corporate change. I don't know, I didn't read it. And I was just like looking across here, and I'm watching it go up, and I was like, oh, this is a breakout. And I'm also seeing these 52-week high, 52-week high. So I was like, oh, let me just paper trade it. So I paper traded 1,000 shares, and I exited $2 later at 9.35. So 7.63, about $2 later, which comes out to $1,721 profit, right? If it were actualized, but it's not. It's paper trading, which is the biggest profit I've had ever in my 1 year of studying. So that means I'm on the right track. And what is the previous history chart, right? Like, what is the previous chart like? By the way, I'm training for the marathon. I've been training for 3 days now, and I haven't been past 3 miles, but it's one of my goals. So, and I figured out that Charlene was like running 5-minute miles, but there's this guy, Roger Bannister, who broke the 4-minute mile through the power of his mind. So I'm kind of interested in that theory and seeing if I can make a 4-minute mile. My miles are 11 minutes right now. Okay, anyway, let's focus on the chart. What does this say? Trending down. I think there was a better view. I think it was the 5-year view that I saw on Ameritrade that was really nice. It just showed these big spikes, but every time it spikes, it goes back down. And the last one was in July, and it hit close to 11. And today, when it went to, it got up to, what is the day high? What is the day high is 1049, so it did not break that previous high that I showed you, the previous spike, but this is now the 52-week high, and it broke the day high, indicating a breakout for me. And for some reason or other, I exited exactly the right point, because then it just started trending downwards, and now the signs are saying like trending down, trending down. I don't know if it's going to pick back up today. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen a chart that goes like day high and then like the later day high and then it goes up again. I'm not sure exactly. But that's what I did today. This is my big profit. I'm super proud of it. Um, I'm going to try to finish a DVD in like a few days. And super excited and proud of myself. Yay!